In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers. If you just create your account, if you have other social media accounts that are a little more popular, well, let me show you how you can use that and get this feature on the go. Let's launch the TikTok app first. First thing I want you to do to hit the lower right corner on your profile. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the upper right, okay? Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. Very important over here, guys, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click report problem. Don't lose your time over here, no topics, no Q&A, no popular, none of this will actually help you. All you gotta do is to click submit report, the last option over here. Then I created a pre-made function, pre-made message, pre-made script for you guys, so you will be able to reach out to them. You can feel free to use it as is if it's true for you. If you have already had some success on other social media, Reels, Twitter, Instagram, right, Facebook, you want to make sure that you use all these, Twitch, YouTube, and you want to make sure that you let TikTok know that you're already a successful streamer and you're planning to move your audience from the other social medias and focus only here on TikTok. Okay? Otherwise, if you tell them that you're a celebrity, you're influencer, but you cannot get 1000 followers on TikTok, it will simply look like a lie. But if you tell them that, hey, you know what? I just created my account. I'm doing only live stream. Here is my account. You want to make sure you attach all the pictures and videos over here so they will be able to see your accounts. And then they will say, oh, cool, this guy is really a streamer, you know. He's going to live stream a lot on TikTok. He's going to make a lot of money through tips, through gifts. And TikTok is going to get its cut, right? So they're going to make money as well. This is how you're going to get the live function even if you don't have 1000 followers. Subscribe and follow for more, guys.